Okay, let's go. Come on, girls. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. Where's your grandmom?
I don't know.
Maybe inside the car. Go.
Because now she can open the car.
I don't know. Woo!
What's there? What's kita? Oh, dear, rambutan.
Weh.
Green color rambutan. Rambutan lang.
Makakunin mo na isang bunga niyan.
Mom, take one. Where's the chicken?
Pag hinihinog na umaamoy na yan.
Durian.
Hindi hilaw pa yan.
Durian, durian.
Walang kumukuha.
I know, jackfruit.
Chimpadak.
Jackfruit.
Parang... Parang hinayaan na nila, no? Hinayaan lang nila.
Go inside. Go.
Di let it be like that only. The jackfruit.
The jackfruit very
I don't
nice.
think they know that the amoy mo na yan. Ibig sabihin